In this video, I will show you how to create Facebook ad account. Before creating ad account, you have to create Facebook business page and business manager account. If you don't know how to create Facebook page and Facebook business manager account, please go to description box and watch those videos. First, you have to log in your Facebook profile. Then click on menu. Then scroll down and click on Ads Manager. Now scroll down and click on All Tools. And now click on Business Settings. Now select the Business Manager account that you want to use for ads. Now click on Pages, then click on Add and click on Add a Page. Enter your page name. Now click on Add Page. Now click on Add Accounts. Click on Add and click on Create a new ad account. Enter your business name. Then select time zone and currency. Click on Next. Now select My Business. Now click on Create. Now select the people, select Full Control, then click on Assign and now click on Close. Now click on Instagram accounts. Click on Add. Now click on Connect your Instagram account. Now enter your email and password and click on Sign in to connect with your Facebook Business Manager account. Now click on WhatsApp accounts. Enter the phone number associated with your WhatsApp business app account. Now click here and click on Data Sets. Now click on Add. Now enter your business name. Click on Create. Now see, it is Facebook Pixel ID. It is very important to collect data for remarketing. In the next video, I will show you how to set up your pixel with your website. Now click on Assign People. Now select People and select Full Control and click on Add. Now click here and click on Domains. Click on Add. Create a new domain. Now enter your domain and click on Add. Now copy the code and go to Shopify store. Now click on Online Store. Click on 3 dot. Then click on Edit Code. Then click on Theme Liquid. After opening head tag, you have to paste the code and click on Save. Then go to Facebook ad account. Now click on Verify Domain. It will take 72 hours to approve the domain. If you get this type of message, you have to wait for 72 hours. Now click on Billing and Payments. Before add your payment method, you have to check your business portfolio ID and Facebook ad account ID. Now click on Add Payment Method. Then select your payment method. Then click on Next. Enter your card details. Now click on Save. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us. Thanks for watching.